Adding signatures to documents. If a document requires signatures, placeholders need to be added before the document is locked. Select a section where the signatures will be added, and click the Signatures icon in the editing toolbar. The Signatures window will appear, then click the Add Signatures link to insert the signature placeholder. Add all of the users that need to be included because additional signatures cannot be added once the document is locked. When all of the users are added, either submit the document for approval, or if the user has an approval role can approve the changes. When the document is approved, lock the document. After the document has been locked, the eSign button will appear. This window allows you to set the order which the users will add their signatures. Use the arrow buttons to set the order, with first signature at the top, and last at the bottom. To allow the signatures to be added in any order, check the Sign in Random Order box. When a document is ready for signing, an icon will show in the dashboard to indicate this. If an external user is signing the document, they must agree to the document before they can add their signature. To do this, click the Agree button. After agreeing to the document, the user can click the signature placeholder and add their signature. The user can either upload a signature, or if they do not have one saved, can use the drawing tool to create one. After the signature has been created, it will be saved in iSpec for signing future documents. When the user has added their signature, they can see the remaining signatures that are pending. When it's the final user's turn to sign the document, they can sign it in the same way as everyone else. However, when the signing is complete, a signed contract will automatically be generated, added in the document, and available for download.